Email marketers connect with the masses at once. Write your email that you want to talk to your tribe about. You want to have a header that holds their attention. Speak in your normal way. There's no need to use big words unless you always speak that way. Choose the words that will engage your audience. Leave a space between your sentences. It makes it easier on all devices, like the example here. Be detailed in what they need and how this is the answer to solve the problem. Offer your services as needed in helping to work through the system. Here is your outline to craft your perfect email. Choose your topic and send valuable emails that help more people.